Yo, and like always, like and subscribe. This is J Bobby, the man, the myth, the legend, a ninth wonder of the world. I don't know what that means, but make sure you like and subscribe, you dig?
None of you want to leave? Because in one of the closest partners of the network. Who you coughing at?
Oh, shit.
Who you coughing at? When I was talking, she started coughing. Bitch, like I'm some type of fucking germ? Bitch, I know you ain't coughing at me, ho. Pussy ass bitch, you can't be coughing at me.
Damn. You can't cough? What if I'm sick? What if I got the Rona? What if it's allergy season? What if I got allergies? What if I got influenza? I don't know what that is, but I could have that. What if I have asthma? But boot camp bullshit is this?
Disrespectful ass bitch. Homeless ass hoe. Who you coughing at?
I realized that this woman is literally a pimp. She's a madam. This ain't no strip game show. Nigga, this is pimping. This is pimping.
Pimping been since pimping since been pimping since been pimping.
Who you coughing at? I know you ain't coughing at me.
Like, damn, is that serious right now?
I know you ain't coughing at me.
Note to self, never cough when Joseline's talking to you.
You think I'm trying to play with? You can cough at me when I'm telling you something?
I was choking on water.
Okay. You better be choking on water.
Yo, imagine if you had bronchitis.